We are here at the Holiday Inn and Sparks here in New Albany, Indiana. The door took a while to open. Guess what? Look at this.
Going up.
Going up?
Thank you.
What floor?
3, please.
Go ahead, make sure he can get in here. No?
Going to 3?
Make sure you get out of the way, okay?
Go ahead.
Thank you.
No problem. Go ahead. Have a good day.
Thank
You
you
too.
much.
Thank you.
I'm going down.
Okay.
There's the 3rd floor. Let's go down one. Series 1. Here's a fun fact. This place actually used to be Hampton Inn. I know, it's kind of weird. You think, oh, why did the Holiday Inn move over here? Going up?
Yeah.
Come on in.
I'm going to the 2nd floor, please.
Alrighty.
You get on a Bucky shirt.
Oh, thank you.
Where'd you go to Bucky's at?
We're going to the grand opening in Somerville on Monday.
Oh, okay. And Somerville? Is that where it's from?
It's Somerville, Tennessee.
Oh, okay.
We're patient for you. Here's 2nd floor.
Okay, thank you so much.
No problem. Have a good night.
You too.
Yes. Okay, so you want me? Hey, look at me. I'm wearing a bucket shirt. Hi. And a bucket cap, too. Very nice elevator, I gotta say. Series 1. Sounds wonderful. 88 phone. Look at that. Murphy apparently maintains this. Interesting. Get off here. No problem. And there goes the elevator. We'll actually go up. But yeah, anyway, I guess that is gonna be it for me.